Hey gents, today we're going to take a look at Koio, which is a luxury Italian sneaker company with some pretty cool looks. I'm excited to jump in. So as we do, make sure you subscribe to learn about the best menswear on the internet and other companies just like this. Give a thumbs up for awesome sneakers and essentially like common projects at a lower price. I'm pretty into that. And so with that being said, let's jump into the unboxing. So here we have the Capri Nuvola. This is an off-white with the suede accent from Koio, and all of the uppers on these are Italian calfskin, the inner lining Italian calfskin, and they find themselves at an interesting price point between what you'd get, you know, your Stan Smiths are down under $100, but then your common projects are up in the $400 range. So they find themselves in an interesting spot on the market. I do love the silhouette. They are fairly light. You know, my grates are pretty heavy, and I think that might come down to the sole that they use on these. It's a particular brand that is known for their lightweight rubber. And out of the box, incredibly comfortable. I find myself now going more with European sizing. It seems to be more consistent across brands. So this is a 45. It's just a tad snug. I'd probably go with like a 45.5 if it was offered. I don't know that I'd go a full size up. This is a nice slim design and silhouette. A piece of feedback that I keep hearing on the grates is that they are a little bit bulky, and so I do like that about these Koios. I'm into the suede on the back. I wasn't at first when I looked at them online. You can go with a full white, and it's got the white suede, and then I'll talk about the gray suede down below. But I do dig the just accent of suede on here. You can feel it's not just some like cheap suede. It is an made Italian suede on the Koios, and so I'm digging the off-white versions. I also grabbed the Capri Rossia, which is a dark gray suede in all of these, which I think it might be my new favorite shoe. Look at this thing. I really love the deep color on this. It just embraces the fact that it's this casual shoe, but it has a dressy styling to it. I don't know, I can't really describe it. So I dig the color on this. Same great Italian calfskin leather on the insole, but then also the exterior, this high quality suede upper. So we'll see how this holds out through the spring. Both of these shoes have a super thin tongue on the top. You know, the Stan Smiths and some of the other shoes have a much like thicker, more substantial tongue, which adds to the bulk of the shoe, but this is a nice slim one on here. So I am digging the Koios right out of the box. Anybody that's wearing Stan Smiths today and they go and they bargain hunt so that they can even find discounts on those Stan Smiths, you're not really looking at a $248 luxury Italian made sneaker. But for anybody that's looking at common projects, these are a steal. You can almost get two of these for a full price common project. Now, you can find common projects on sale sometimes, but that is Koio, and I'm going to be doing a roundup with these for the best summer sneaker pretty soon. So let me know down in the comments some of the other ones that I should be looking at, because I've got a list, but I want to make sure I catch all of them. So if you have any suggestions, comments, questions, anything else, you can try and answer down in the comments below. You can also reach out at @_Kavalier on Twitter and Instagram. Love to hear from you guys over there. In every video, I link to a Google Doc, which is where you can suggest any brand that you'd like me to take a look at. You can sign up to make sure you're on my list for any future giveaways. And then there's also a podcast I do with Brock McGough over at The Modest Man. So there's all kinds of stuff if you're looking for more in the menswear, online, internet, style, fashion, whatever you want to call what I do. It's all in there. Until next time, gents, this is the Kavalier.
That's more than one delicious superfood.